Losing important documents from Google Drive can be stressful, but don't panic. There's a good chance you can recover them. Here's how to get your deleted files back. First, check your Google Drive trash. When you delete a file from Google Drive, it doesn't disappear immediately. Instead, it goes to the trash folder. To recover it, open Google Drive and look for the trash folder on the left-hand side. Click on it, and you'll see all recently deleted files. If the file you're looking for is there, simply right-click on it and select Restore. Your document will be moved back to its original location in Google Drive. If you don't see the file in the trash, it may have been permanently deleted. But don't give up just yet. Google Drive offers another option through its version history feature. If you've edited the document and want to recover an earlier version, you can do so. Open the file, click on File in the top menu, then select Version History and choose See Version History. From there, you can restore a previous version of the document. This is especially useful if you've made changes to a file and need to recover an older draft. If you've emptied your trash or can't find the file in version history, your next option is to reach out to Google support. Google offers a limited time window, usually about 25 to 30 days after deletion, during which they might be able to help recover files that have been permanently deleted.